Find or read reviews that people are talking about Crizendo transmission fluid transfer pump kit. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 3 liters pressure reservoir, comes with a 3-liter pressure holder and built-in pressure gauge, letting one handle brake fluid replacement alone. It cuts maintenance time, suited for home users and seasoned workers relying on automotive tools and automotive fluid pump. Broad vehicle fit, includes 8 ATF adapters fitting specific car models for tight brake sealing, working with common vehicle brands. These adapters are compatible with transmission fill pump and transmission fluid transfer pump for multi-scenario servicing. Fluid tolerant body. Made from high-strength plastic that resists brake fluid, and features a pressure relief piece to avoid overpressurization and stop leaks. It's well suited for pairing with liquid transfer pump and fluid transfer pump for a range of repair jobs. Easy use. Equipped with a quick connect transparent hose and spanner, with simple steps fill the holder, attach the adapter and apply pressure. See-through components track fluid movement and eliminate air buildup when using a transmission fluid kit. Transmission system support, clears trapped air from transmission hydraulic systems to bring back smooth gear shifting performance. The included adapters ensure tight, leak-free connections, making for efficient servicing work when used with a transmission pump. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.